Today we are going to show you how to verify your account on MuchBetter. First, open the MuchBetter app. Then click on the button below the balance that says Unlock More Features with ID Verification. On this page, you can see the benefits of verifying your account, such as withdraw money, send and request money, enjoy higher limits, order an awesome prepaid card, get a cool payment fob and watch, and account statements. Click the orange Verify Me button to proceed to the next step. Now, to avoid verification failure, make sure that your details match your ID documents. Click Confirm to move to the next step. Now, prepare your valid identification document and click the Got It button to proceed to the next step, which is taking a photo of your ID. Allow the MuchBetter app to use the camera and get ready to start the verification process. Before you do, make sure to use a valid government-issued document, find a well-lit surface, and be ready to take a selfie. Click Start to begin. That's it! Now you have to wait 24 hours for the verification process to be finished and to enjoy all the benefits.